So it's another episode of Fixing Shit with Kitty Bum Bum the cat. And today's episode is a microwave that doesn't work for beans. I've got the high voltage capacitor out here. I've already shorted it out to make sure there's no residual charge, and I've got it on test. If it's shorted internally, it'll beep across the terminals, and we get nothing. So I think it's good. It doesn't beep to ground from either side, so whatever. So I think that's good. The only other thing it can be on, which is the usual common failure points, is the high voltage diode, which goes from this terminal to the case. It grounds, but I can't test it because it's high voltage and I don't have a voltage feed to test. So no matter what you do, it's not gonna, I don't have enough voltage to push through it to test it. That's what I said, Kitty. It's probably the diode, and this is high voltage. One touch of this on your nose and you'll be fried, Kitty. Don't you forget that. So that's our conclusion, and well, she's done with it, and I don't blame her, you know. So I'm gonna order 3 of these diodes, because I've got 3 microwaves and they've all got the exact same symptoms. When you turn them on, you get a spark show, you get a light show, and I think it's passing something or other through the to the magnetron, and it's a semi-imported diodes. These things are a common failure point. I had one of these on a coffee machine, believe it or not, and they said they use it as a slow blow fuse for some reason. It was quite expensive, as I remember, but I couldn't read the numbers off it because they washed it or they painted it or something, and so I was stuck. And if you'd like to inspect the diode, why don't you just ask? Okay, Kitty? So that's it for this week's excitement. Alright, okay.